Will this quarantine ever end? I don't know. Actually, I do know they're starting to reopen things, but we're probably still not going to be able to travel for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and just finish this vlog. This is the third and final installment of the Carmen archives, or quarantine archives, or whatever I've been calling it. And this is going to take us through the end of the trip. I have got a number of photos that didn't make it into the vlog thrown in at the end of this, so be sure to stay tuned through the full thing. There were a couple of times where we just pulled over on the side of the road, or I just didn't have enough footage because I was an idiot and wasn't really thinking about vlogging at the time. But either way, stay tuned to the end, and yeah, stay tuned to the end. Yeah, that's what you should do. But yeah, first we have to get there. So here we go.
Alright, day 6, our final full day here, and we came to the iconic Hutter huts. This is the image that made Carmen a internationally world famous photographer.
Like alcohol, really? Really? Yeah.
Hopefully we can somehow match the grandeur of her original photo. So, it's been a beautiful sunrise. I got a little late. It's super cold. We made it. Say hi, Esther.
Hey, hey!
Woo! Now, get some coffee, right?
Yes!
That afternoon, Carmen showed us some of her editing techniques before we headed to our final sunset, which is where things got a little weird.
Please look to the horizon, David. Yeah.
Alright, Ryan, how would you describe that sunset?
We got a brief flash of beautiful light that was worth the wait in the cold.
Yeah,
definitely.
absolutely.
And then we climbed a ladder to nowhere, which is pretty fun.
Yeah. Well, Esther climbed it.
Yeah, Esther climbed it. I think overall it was a pretty successful sunset shoot.
Yeah, absolutely.
Since it was our last sunset, that meant we only had one more sunrise, but we definitely went out with a bang.
Good morning, final day on the trip. We have come to yet another wonderful sunrise location, and we're just waiting for the sun to come up. The team is all throughout this valley. If you look down that way, I don't think you can actually see anybody, but they're way down there with a bunch of other photographers. So this is definitely a very popular spot, but we are, I think, about to see a pretty spectacular sunrise. So I'm not complaining about the crowds. All right, so I made it up here, and I've got this nice little composition with the hut here in the foreground and then the mountains in the back and obviously the valley. But as soon as the sun comes up, I'm gonna try to get this shot really fast and then run down way down there and see if I can't get a little bit more of a epic up angle. So it's gonna be a little bit of sprinting downhill. Hopefully I don't fall and break anything, and really hope that's not prophetic.
As we started to head home, I was really just reminded of how thankful I was to be on this trip and with such incredible people. Everybody was passionate and willing to take that step and go on this incredible adventure. Carmen and Ryan, thank you guys so much. You were incredible teachers and really inspirational people. You challenged me to think in different ways, and the whole trip was just awe-inspiring and so awesome. For those of you who are sitting at home watching this, wondering, if you could do this or this is something that you are interested in, I would highly recommend checking out Carmen's website and seeing the dates and when you can potentially apply for the workshop. I will link it down below, and then you can check out and see if it works for you. I promise you're not going to regret applying. If you've enjoyed this series, be sure to hit subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and then of course leave us a little thumbs up. That'd really mean the world to us. Now I'm going to end this, as I promised, with a couple of other photos that didn't make it into the vlog itself. Stay safe, be sure to support your local small businesses, and wash your hands a lot. So see ya.
Brandon, you left your GoPro in the car, but I got it for you. It could have been another tragic loss.